Students, in previous class, we have discussed until 14 sums, quadratic expressions level 3. Now, let us continue from 15th question onwards. 15th question, if f of x is a quadratic expression which is positive for all real x. So, delta less than 0 should of x, g of x, f of x is positive for all real x. For all x belongs to R, and g of x is equal to f of x plus f dash x plus f double dash x. Then for any real value of x, what is the expression? What is the option? Whenever delta for all x belongs to x, f of x is positive, so ax plus b plus c should have same sign. When delta less than 0, so use x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. It is an f of x, like this you think. Because this delta less than 0, omega comma omega square are roots. So g of x is equal to here x square plus x plus 1 plus f dash x means here 2x plus 1 plus f double dash x equal to 2. So g of x is equal to, you can write x square plus 3x plus 5 plus 4. Calculate delta here, b square minus 4ac less than 0. X square coefficient is positive. Therefore, g of x also greater than 0. Depends upon the concept. X square coefficient of x square expression having same sign. When delta less than 0 for all x belongs to R. Now, 16th question. If the roots of equation x square plus 2ax plus b, quadratic equation x square plus 2ax plus b is equal to 0 are real and distinct, then they differ by at most 2m. So maximum value is 2m. Difference of roots maximum value is 2m, then b lies in the interval condition. And he is discussing if the roots of equation are real and distinct. Two conditions I am writing. Condition. First one, delta greater than or equal to 0 because roots are real and distinct. Also, modulus of alpha minus beta less than or equal to 2m. At most, delta less than or equal to 0 means 4a square minus 4b greater than or equal to 0. So a square minus b greater than or equal to 0. Keep aside. We know that modulus of alpha minus beta is equal to root of b square minus 4ac over root over the mod a. Means 4a square minus 4b less than or equal to 2m. Squaring both sides and 2 cut off. A square minus b less than or equal to 4m square. Here you can understand a square greater than or equal to b, and here a square minus 4m square less than or equal to b. We should discuss about the value of, no, it is not 4m square, m square less than or equal to b. So b greater than a square, and so b less than, here b that implies b less than or equal to a square. So maximum value of b is a square. Only first option or fourth option. A square minus m square. Minimum value. Maximum value of b is. Also you can write b greater than or equal to a square minus m square. Therefore b belongs to the range of b is equal to a square minus m square comma a square. Option 1. Now 17th question. Seventeenth question. The solution of equation 3 into modulus of x minus 3 whole square 3 into modulus of x minus 3 whole square is equal to modulus of x plus 7, which belongs to the domain of which belongs to. So the value lies between the domain of which belongs to domain of root of x into x minus 3. Root of x into x minus 3 are given by. So we can calculate this domain x into x minus 3, right, like this. X minus 3 into x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Concept of functions, every square root is greater than or equal to 0. By squaring on both sides we get x minus 0 into x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So x does not belongs to 0 comma 3 open interval, x less than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 3. So x belongs to minus infinity comma 0 close to the union 3 close to the comma infinity is the domain. Now using this one, x less than 0, x greater than 3, student, there is no any number. X greater than 3, there is no any number. So according to option, negative only we should consider. So plus or minus concept is not correct. Full negative. So only third option. Only option 3. X less than 0. So 3 into, let us consider here 3 into mod x whole square minus 3 mod x minus 3 here. 3 mod x. This is 9 into, if we take 9 common as x mod x square minus 2 mod x plus 1 is equal to mod x plus 7. So 9 mod x square minus 18 mod x plus 9 minus mod x minus 7 is equal to 0. We should consider negative instead of negative or positive. If we consider negative, if mod x is negative, if mod x is equal to minus x, that is, if x less than 0, it becomes 9x square plus 18x plus 19x we can write. 9x square plus 19x plus 2 is equal to 0. 9 2s are 18, 9x square plus now, okay, 18x plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So 9x taken common, x plus 2 plus 1 taken common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 9 comma x is equal to minus 2. We got option 3. If we take positive, we will not get the proper option. So now 18th question. If n is a positive integer and n belongs to 5 comma 100, if n is a positive integer and n belongs to 5 comma 100, then the number of positive integral roots of the equation n is x square plus 2x minus n. Condition. First of all, n is a positive integer, n belongs to z plus, and n belongs to, of course, given as natural numbers 5 comma 100. Then the number of positive integral roots of equation x square plus 2x minus n equal to 0. X square plus 2x minus n is equal to 0. So depends upon the formula minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac concept. X is equal to minus b plus r minus root b square minus 4ac. Yeah, 4n by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 plus r minus 4 taken common. So minus 1 plus r minus root of 1 plus 4, 1 plus 2. So better to take here x plus 1 is equal to root 1 plus n. Plus is better. Now n is a positive integer, the number of positive integral solutions of equation he is asking. So x plus 1 is equal to root of 1 plus n. So n is positive integer. Number of positive roots. Okay, n is positive integer. So x plus 1 is equal to root of n starting with 5 and ending with 100. Root 6 comma root 100. So x plus 1 should lie between the root 6 and root 100. So x is equal to minus 1 plus something. So we should try to understand that perfect, we should get perfect squares. Perfect squares of x, that is, if it is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 6 and 100. So between 6 and 100, how many perfect squares are there? 8, 9, 16, for example, 25, 36, 49, 64, 90, 81. So until 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 8 is given. N plus 1 greater than 5. This is positive plus 4n by 2. If n is a positive, n belongs to 5 plus 100, it's okay. Now, if we take x plus 1 is equal to 100 minus 6 and 100. Yeah, it is a closed integer. So 1 not 1, it is not 1. It is 1 not 1. So 100 also is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of is asking. Number of solutions. Number of positive integrals. Positive integral values is equal to 8. Now, 19th question. It is IMP question. In mains concept, in standard books, in this standard book, you get the question, most IMP question. The number of solutions of the system of equation given below. Number of solutions. Number of solutions of mod x plus mod y equal to 1 comma mod x square plus y square is equal to a square, where condition 1 by root 2 less than a less than 1. So how many solutions are there? Students, you can understand x square plus y square equal to a square in a circle having the center C 0, 0 and radius r is equal to a. Now we can draw a circle. X square plus y square equal to a square is equal to center is 0, 0 and radius is r. Draw like this the lines. Because this is x plus y is equal to one case. Positive plus positive, plus plus, minus plus, minus, plus minus, minus minus, 4 cases I am taking here. This is 1 comma 0, this is 0 comma 1, positive positive. This is minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1, negative positive. This is minus 0 minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1, negative negative. This is positive and negative, like that 4 cases will be getting 4 lines. It becomes a rhombus. Now this is the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. The from center to any point of the circle is called as radius, so it is radius. This is full radius. The radius should be less than 1, so it should be less than 1. It's okay. Now if you put here, if you take 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 midpoint, this is also a radius. So how many circles we can draw? Now you can understand that 0 comma 0 center is equal to 0 comma 0. If put here, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and put here P, Q, R, S are midpoints and draw the midpoints. P, Q, R, S. Midpoints are there. P is equal to, let us, I'm going to discuss with you that P is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 and Q is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma by 2, R is equal to minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 and S is equal to 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. So P is equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So OP becomes root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Root of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to root of 2 by 4. So root of 1 by 2 it is 1 by 2. So whatever the solution we need, the solution should lie above this midpoint and below the this circle. So you can understand another circle should exist, that two intersecting in the line in two distinct points. Put here, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Students, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is whatever the circle intersecting the rhombus. 4. This is 5. This is 6. Like this. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. So total, how many points of intersections are there in between 0, 1 by root 2 and 1? So this is R1. You can put small r. This is R2. You can put capital R. So R1, the circle which intersect the rhombus under the condition, the circle which intersect the rhombus under the condition 1 by root 2 less than a, that is radius 1 is required circle, that is number of points of intersection is nothing but number of solutions. So number of points of intersection is equal to 8. Number of points of intersections is equal to, that is number of solutions, that is equal to 8. This is MP question. Sometimes useful question in advanced. Now 20th question. According to matrices, this is also MP in matrices also. Alpha, beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Alpha, beta are roots of alpha, beta are roots of x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is nothing but alpha is equal to omega and beta is equal to omega square. Now Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. You should calculate the determinant of 3 plus 3, 1 plus S1, 1 plus S2, next 1 plus S1, next 1 plus S2, 1 plus S3, like that, 1 plus S2, 1 plus S3, 1 plus S4. Here S means summation of roots model. Alpha power n plus beta power n is omega power n plus omega power n. So we can understand that determinant we need 3, 1 plus S1. Students, S1 means omega plus omega square. Omega plus omega square becomes minus 1. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Next 1 plus S2. S2 means omega square plus omega power 4. Of course, it is also nothing but minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 1 plus S1, again it is 0. 1 plus S2, again it is 0. Next 1 plus S3. S3 means omega cube plus omega power 6. It is 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes S3 means 2. So it is 3. So you can understand this is 0, this is 0, this is 3. 1 plus S2 means 0 and 1. This is 3 and this is 0. 1 plus S4 means omega power 4 plus omega power 8. It is also 0. Now that gives us 3 into 0 minus 9. So that's all. So determinant is minus 27. Minus 27. 20th question. Second option. Now 21st question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of equation lambda into x square minus x plus x plus 5. Alpha comma beta are roots of QE lambda into x square minus x plus x plus 5. Lambda into x square minus x plus 5 equal to 0. Alpha comma beta are roots. Let us expand this from lambda x square minus lambda x plus 5 plus x plus 5 equal to 0. So lambda into x square minus x taken common, lambda minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now lambda alpha beta roots of this one, and lambda 1 lambda 2 are the two values of lambda for which the roots of alpha beta are connected by the relation alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Then the value of lambda 1 by lambda 2 plus lambda 2 by lambda. Okay, it is a main question. Very good question. Mains. Now, since alpha comma beta are roots, here alpha comma beta are roots of this quadratic equation. Use sum of roots is equal to alpha plus beta, lambda minus 1 by lambda, and product of roots is equal to c by a concept 5 by lambda. Now alpha by beta given alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 4 by 5 is the addition. That implies you can understand here alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta is equal to 4 by 5. Alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square you can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole by alpha beta is equal to 4 by 5. That implies alpha plus beta here product of roots, sum of roots lambda minus 1 by lambda. So now we can write 5 into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We can write 10 alpha beta minus 10 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta equal to 0. So 5 into alpha plus beta whole square minus 14 alpha beta equal to 0. That implies 5 into alpha plus beta means here lambda minus 1 whole square by lambda square minus 14 into 5 by lambda is equal to 0. So 5 into lambda minus 1 whole square minus 5 you take common, it is better. 14 lambda, that's all. 14 lambda equal to 0. So lambda square minus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 14 lambda equal to 0. So lambda square minus 16 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. We got the quadratic equation in lambda terms. Now we should calculate the value of lambda 1 by lambda 2 plus lambda 2 by lambda 1. Find. Good question. Find lambda 1 by lambda 2 plus lambda 2 by lambda 1. that is equal to lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 square. Lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 square by lambda 1 into lambda 2. This one we can written as lambda 1 plus lambda 2 whole square minus 2 minus 2 into lambda 1 lambda 2 by lambda 1 lambda 2. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is here sum of also 16 whole square. It is 256 minus 2 by no it is 1. So 254 is the answer. Good. 254. Third option. 22nd question. If alpha comma beta are the roots of equation ax square minus bx plus c equal a square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the value of 1 plus alpha square into 1 plus beta square is equal to dash. Here, one thing we should observe that he is not discussing that whether it is real or anything, A, B, C or real or complex, anything he is not discussing. So anything we can take. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alpha comma beta are roots. A, B, C are real, we are not equal to 0, rational, everything he is not discussing with us any. So I am writing not distinct also is not discussed. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. So x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. We can write omega comma omega square are roots. That implies here alpha square plus alpha plus 1 equal to 0 and beta square plus beta plus 1 equal to 0. Now he given alpha square plus alpha plus 1 into alpha square plus alpha plus 1 into beta square plus beta plus 1. Students, this is 0 into 0. Minimum case I am discussing with you. Maximum case, because alpha beta are the roots of equation, then the value of, so whenever it is negative, whenever it is x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, there is a chance that getting 0. If whenever it is here delta, can you correct delta less than 0, these are roots are imaginary. So he is discussing about non-negative, positive, negative, not imaginary concept. Simply whenever you are getting 0, it is non-negative. That's a non-negative only one option. The implies roots are non-negative. Value of, not roots, value, simply value, right? Non-negative is enough. There is a chance to get 0. That is why don't write positive. Chance is there to non-negative. Next 23 question. It is also IMP question. X minus 3 whole power 9. X minus 3 whole power 9 plus x minus 3 square whole power 9 plus x minus 3 cube whole power 9 plus so on x minus 3 power 9 whole power 9 is equal to 0. As now let us discuss. This is f of x. This is f of x. Now we calculate f dash x. F dash x is equal to 9 into, for everything you can take 9, x minus 3 whole power 8 plus x minus 3 square whole power 8 plus x minus 3 cube whole power 8 plus all like that x minus 3 power 9 whole power 8. So x minus 3 whole power 8 plus x minus 3 square whole power 8 plus x minus 3 whole power 8 so on 3 cube so on. It is the process whenever f dash if x is equal to 3, he is not at all discussing about x is equal to 3. So 23rd question. 8 roots are imaginary. This is multiple roots concept you will be learning in theory of equations chapter. Now 23rd question, let us see. F dash x has no roots. This is always greater than 0, we know. Just let us discuss about x whole power 8 is even. 8 is equal to even. 8 is equal to even. So the value f of x greater than 0. Of course, coef of everything is positive. So coef of x square, x power 8 constant, comma expression. Coef of x power 8 comma expression have same sign. So for all x belongs to R, it is delta less than 0. So total 8 roots will be there. 8 roots are imaginary roots. So 8 roots are imaginary. Whenever we are calculating f dash x, whenever we are calculating derivative to given expression, whenever the derivative function gets imaginary roots, then original function having only one real root, you will be learning in theoretical chapter multiple roots concept. Imaginary roots, 8 roots are imaginary roots, and 1 is real root because the degree is 9. Whenever one real root is there, then only we should calculate derivative. Derivative concept you can learn in next chapter. Next 24th one, the root of equation 2 into 1 plus I into x square. 24. The root of equation, quadratic equation 2 into 1 plus I into x square minus 4 into 2 minus I into x minus 5 minus 3I equal to 0, which has greater modulus. This is the quadratic equation having complex coefficients. In the complex coefficients, the quadratic equation, we should consider the roots, and after getting the roots, we should get modulus. X is equal to, use the formula minus b plus r minus b plus r is root b square minus 4ac minus 4 to the 8 into 1 plus I into minus 5 minus 3I whole by 2a. So 4 into 1 plus I, good. 2 into 1 plus I x square minus 4 into 2 minus I into x minus 5 minus 3I equal to 0. Now let us do the question. 4 into 2 minus I plus r minus root of 16 into 2 minus I minus of minus becomes plus 8 into 1 plus I into 5 plus the I. 5 plus 3I whole by 4 into 1 plus I. That is equal to 4 into 2 minus I plus r minus root of, let us multiply 16 into next step. I am writing 2 minus I plus 8 into 5 plus 5I plus 3I becomes 8I plus 3I square means minus 3, because I square is equal to minus 1. 4 into 1 plus 1. That is equal to 4 into 2 minus I plus r times 16 into 2 minus I plus 2 plus 8I. Whenever you take 2 as a common, 8 to the 16, this is 8. 8 to the 16. 2 plus 8I. 2 we have taken common, then you can write 1 plus 4I. Whole by 4 into 1 plus I. That is equal to now 4 you can take common. It becomes 2 minus I plus or minus root of 2 minus I plus 1 plus 4I whole by 1 plus I. 2 plus 1 becomes 3, 3 plus 3I. 2 minus I, this is 16, 16 taken common, 16 with 4, 4 got cancelled. 2 minus I plus or minus root of 3 plus 3 whole by 1 plus I. Now what he is asking, which has greater modulus? So modulus you should calculate. Root 3 taken common. Okay, let us discuss root 3. 2 minus I. 2 minus I plus or minus root 3 into 1 plus I over root by 1 plus I. So root of 1 plus I we should discuss. Root of 1 plus I. Plus I by 1 plus I. This is, we can write 2 minus I by 1 plus I. Plus or minus root 3 into 1 plus I by 1 plus I. It's okay. 2 minus I by 1 plus I. This is another way. Okay, let us write root 3 and root of. You should not separate like this. You should get alpha plus I beta complex model, then you should calculate the modulus value. Let us see the question number 24. Here we got the proper value, 16 into 2 minus I whole square. I did wrong, students. Minus B plus or root B square. Root B square. Root B square. Until here it is okay. Now it is wrong. Now let us discuss. B square minus 4x. That is equal to 2 minus I plus or minus root of, let us take this one, 4 minus 4I minus plus I square becomes minus 1 plus 1 plus 4I whole by 1 plus I. Here minus 4I plus 4I minus 4 plus 1 get cancelled. Now that is equal to 2 minus I plus or minus 2 by 1 plus I. So 4 minus by 1 plus I is a root, comma 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So minus I by 1 plus I is a root. Now we should rationalize, so that means we should multiply. This is alpha. We should multiply with conjugate complex number. Multiply with conjugate complex number to the numerator and denominator. 4 minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 plus I. I mean 1 minus I, comma. This is the form. Minus I by 1 plus I into 1 minus I by 1 minus I. Here you can write as, right understand, A plus IB into, here I am making you to remember the formula. A plus IB into A minus IB is equal to A square plus B square. Students, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. In the same concept we use this is I. So A square minus I square B square becomes A square plus B square. So alpha is equal to, multiply like this. 4 minus 4I minus I, 4 minus 5I plus 1 whole by 2. So alpha is equal to 6 minus 5I by 2. minus 4a minus 6 minus 5a. Now beta you can, beta is equal to minus I into 1 minus I by 2. So beta is equal to minus I plus 1 by 2. Now they are asking about the greatest modulus. Greatest modulus is that 2. We should verify option 3 minus 5a by 2 can be somewhere wrong. So minus I square becomes plus I square. Plus I square becomes minus. So 3 minus 5. Modulus of alpha is equal to component of root of like this. 1 by 2 taken common, root of component square plus component square. So 9 plus 25. So that is equal to root 34 by 2. This is a modulus, and modulus beta is equal to, here also root of component square plus component square. That is equal to 1 by 2 into root 2. So root 34 by 2 and root 2 by 2. Root 34 by 2 is greatest modulus. So root 34 by 2 greater than root 2 by 2. Therefore 3 minus 5y by 2 having greatest modulus. It is correct. 3 minus 5 by 2 having greatest modulus. This is depends upon the complex number concept. So this is multi-conceptual question. Now 25th question. If xy is equal to 2 into x plus y, x lesser than or equal to by x comma y belongs to n, then number of solutions of equation. The hint given that x comma y belongs to natural numbers. It is the correct hint to us. Xy is equal to 2 into x plus y. X lesser than or equal to y. X comma y belongs to natural numbers. Let us consider 2 into 3 concept. 2 to the 6. 2 into 3 into 2 plus 3 is not possible. So put x is equal to x less than or equal to y. No. 2 if you take, it is not possible. 2x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and take it. 6 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 not possible. So like that, whatever the natural numbers we can substitute. X and y are right. Put here 3 and 6. 3 into 6 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 6. Yeah, 18 equal to 18. Correct. Next. 6 comma 3. It's also okay. So separate numbers and take. Of course, is as x less than or equal to 1. We should not consider this one. 4 comma 6. 4 into 6. 24. 2 into 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 to the 20. 24 it is wrong. Simply take 4 into 4. 4 6 is not possible. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 4. 16 equal to 16. Correct. So x comma, there are two numbers. Option 2. Option 1. Option 1. That's all. 26th question. If c greater than 0 and the equation 3ax square plus 4bx plus c equal to 0 has no real root, c greater than 0, comma, quadratic equation 3ax square plus 4bx. 3ax square plus 4bx plus c is equal to 0 has no real root. Whenever a quadratic equation has no real root, you can use delta less than 0. So for b square minus 4ac concept. So 16b square minus 12ac less than 0. Divided with 4 or taken 4 down. It becomes 4b square minus 3ac less than 0. So 4b square less than 3ac. So if you keep it side, 4b square less than 3ac. Put a equation 1. Now, if c greater than 0 is given, then the equation has no real root. So that meaning whenever delta less than 0, that is whenever delta less than 0, quadratic expression here 3a is there. A should be positive. We cannot give right constant here. A should be positive. So when a greater than 0, expression f of x greater than 0. So 3ax square plus 4bx plus c greater than 0. So according to the condition here, you can understand c greater than 0. For c greater than 0 is x. For every number a greater than 0 is paka positive. So we can say that f of 0 greater than 0 because for all x belongs to all this is right. For all x belongs to f of 0 we put c greater, we got c greater. Yes. Now f of minus 1, f of 1, f of 2, f of minus 2, everything we can put greater than 0. Put f of minus 1, 3a minus 4b plus c greater than 0. So 3a plus c greater than 4b. So option 3, this is no need. Option 3 we got. Option 3. 27th question. The polynomial equation ax square plus bx plus c into ax square minus dx minus c has already we have done in synopsis. Level 327 I said delta 1 into delta 1 plus delta 2 greater than 0, then it has at least 2 real roots. I said that concept. Now let us going to discuss about 28th question. 28th question, the range of a for which the equation x square plus ax square plus ax square plus ax minus 4 equal to 0. X square plus ax minus 4 equal to 0 has a smaller root in the interval. Range root in the interval. Smaller root. Of course, let it is alpha. Smaller root lies in the interval minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2. That implies the location of this concept k1 less than alpha less than k2. So k1 minus alpha less than 0 and k2 greater than alpha, k2 minus alpha greater than 0. So you can write f of 1 less than 0, f of minus 1 less than 0 and f of 2 greater than 0. k1 minus alpha into k2. k1 minus is small of 1%. Let us discuss 28th question. Given in another option, another way. F of minus 1 greater than 0 given. F of 0, let us write here f of 0. So smaller root, which is smaller root we cannot find out. Okay, let us write here f of 0. Depends upon that concept we can write. F of 0 is minus, so less than 0. F of 0, try to understand now, minus less than 0 less than 2. So 0 is a smaller root here, minus 1 less than 0 less than 2. So f of minus 1, it is negative. So f of 0 we got negative. So f of minus 1 we should get negative of negative and f of 2 less than. Let us substitute, students. 1 minus a minus 4 greater than 0. Minus 3 minus a greater than 0. a plus 3 greater than 0, a greater than minus 3. How many options are there? Option is not correct. And f of 2, if you substitute 4 plus 2a minus 4 less than 0, it is simply 2a is equal to 0. We got it is wrong. Let us see the location of this concept. If smaller root lies between the k1 and k2 concept, if smaller root, one root lies between the k1 and k2 condition for the numbers k1 and k2, exactly one root, then f of k1 into f of k2 greater than 0, page number 58. Let us write here page number 58. Fourth concept. Page 58. Roman number 4. According to that one, f of k1 into f of k2, a smaller root k1, exactly one root lies in the interval. It's okay. So minus 1 less than alpha less than 2. He is discussing with us f of k1 into f of k2. F of k1 into f of k2 less than 0 equal. F of k1 means here minus substitute here. Minus 1, 1 minus a minus 4 into, substitute 2 here, 4 plus 4a minus 4 less than 0, 4 get cancelled, so this is less than 0, so minus a minus 3 into a less than 0, so a plus 3 greater than 0, a greater than minus 3. So a belongs to minus infinity, minus 3 comma minus infinity. Minus 3 comma infinity. Let us verify the option for the question number 28. Minus infinity comma minus 3 given. Minus, let us see the option 28. Third option given. Okay, once again, if we discuss a less than 0, let us discuss in this one. It is also okay. A less than. Now a plus 3 into a minus 0 greater than 0. So a does not belongs to multiple levels. A does not belongs to minus 3 comma 0. A does not belongs to minus 3 comma 0 below 0. So that means a less than minus 3 comma a greater than 0. So a belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 union 0 comma infinity. How many options are there? Minus infinity, exactly fourth option. Now let us see the 28th question. He given third option. 28th question he given third option. But it is whenever it is positive 0 gamma if it is right, simply leave it. It is fourth option. Now 29th question. X comma y comma z are real and distinct. X comma y comma z are real and distinct. Then x square plus 4y square plus 9z square x comma y comma z are real and distinct. X square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 6yz minus 3zx minus 2xy is always better to take here f of x is equal to, I am multiplying with 2x square plus 8y square plus 18z square minus 12yz minus 6zx minus 4xy. You can understand here 2x square means x square plus x square like this. X square plus 4y square plus 4y square, x square plus 4y square plus 4y square plus 9z square plus 9z square plus 9z square plus 9z square minus 12yz minus 6